Hello students, in this video we are going to learn digital electronics. There are three fundamental logic gates, namely OR and NOT gate. OR gate, this is logical symbol of OR gate, electric circuit of OR gate, truth table of OR gate. So see, this truth table we will analyze through this electric circuit. This is parallel combination of two switches. If switch A and B open, then it means 0. When it is closed, then it means 1, or we can say high and low. High means 1, low means 0. Okay, when see this truth table, when both are 0, that means when both switches are open, then bulb is not glowing, that means output is 0. When A is open and B is closed, then bulb glows, so you will get output, that is 1. Now next again, A is closed and B is open, then also bulb glows, so you will get output 1. When both switches A and B are closed, then also bulb glows, so you will get output 1. So in one line, when both inputs are 0, then output is 0, otherwise output is 1. Okay, next AND gate. AND gate, logical symbol, electric circuit, and this is truth table. Yes, again here let us learn the truth table through this electric circuit. AND means series combination of two switches. Okay, open means 0, close means 1. Keep in mind this. See here in truth table, both are 0, that means both switches are open, then bulb is not glowing, so you will get output 0. A is open and B is closed, then also the bulb is not glowing here, so again you will get output 0. A is closed, B is open, again here you are not getting output, so output is 0. When both switches are closed, then only bulb glows here, so you will get output 1. So in one line, when both inputs are 1, then only output is 1, otherwise output is 0. NOT gate, this is symbol, logical symbol, electric circuit, and this one is a truth table. So here input is always 1 and output you will get 1 only. Two possibilities are there to get output. When I say 0, then output it gives 1. Yes, see here, logical inversion. What I am saying is doing opposite. If I say 1, then it gives 0. Okay, NAND and NOR gate are universal gates. Yes, NAND gate, this one is a combination of AND and NOT gate. Yes, logical symbol, truth table. This truth table is very easy to keep in mind. How? See, this is AND gate, so the output of this AND gate is what? Take the inversion of that, then only you will get NAND gate. So AND gate, when both inputs are 1, then only output is 1, otherwise 0, no? So here when both inputs are high, then only you will get output 0, otherwise you will get high. Okay, some notes. This is De Morgan's theorem. Keep in mind this point, it helps to solve competitive questions. NOR gate. Yes, this gate is also constructed by using OR in front of that NOT. Here also same, OR output what you are getting, it's inverse, it happens here. This is symbol of OR gate, NOR gate. This is truth table for NOR gate. So you know OR gate already. What is that OR gate? Is when both inputs are 0, then only output is 0, otherwise it is 1, right? So here you will get, when both inputs are 0, you will get 1, otherwise 0. Why we are saying this NAND gate and NOR gate are universal gates? Yes, because using these gates it is possible to construct basic gates, that is fundamental gates. OR and AND gate are constructed using PN junction diodes. NOT gate can be constructed using NPN transistor. See, the fundamental gates NOT or AND gate is possible to construct using NAND and NOR gate. Okay.